So hello, welcome back to the channel. Ready for another little day trip. So I've been fighting with my helmet, I've been fighting with my earplugs, I've been fighting for covering over the inside of my helmet. So I've been pulling on their neck scarves or neck tubes, sorry. Pulling over neck tubes to try and reduce the noise that's inside my helmet. It certainly looks like we're heading into rain, that's for sure. But the noise is driving me mad. I have tinnitus from many years of DJing. So I'm going out all high vis today, as it's a darkish day. A bit overcast, and coming over the mountains there has been lots of clouds, so I want to make sure I'm safe. And here's the rain, woohoo! So I'm riding into the rain. So something that they tell you in a car never to do, and I want to try it on my screen. So I have polished my front screen, and I want to see how it holds up to rain during the day. Sort of see it beating off at the minute. I know if you do that on a car, your wipers don't work and it becomes like a radar. Yeah, you would see it like a radar map on a boat. You know, when you or for aircraft, you know the way you see that white bead going round. Well, the white thick part would be your wiper, and then the remnants that leaves behind it would be your wax on the window. So it still looks like it's raining ahead, so and that's the general direction where we're going. So we'll see how we pan out. Now I've been planning lots and lots of routes for BARNI on the RouteYou. A few of them haven't worked, and I think over 2 or 3 days I made all these routes thinking brilliant, super duper, look at me, up now, amazing. And then when I posted them all on the page, I didn't upload them to my own sat nav. So a few days later I decided to try them to upload them to my sat nav, a Garmin 396 Sumo, and Lord and behold, they either wouldn't transfer or they wouldn't, well, sorry, they did transfer, but they wouldn't show up on the sat nav, which is in front of me. So I have redone them. Only when you go into the RouteYou, I'm going to make a video. I'm going to do a screen video to actually show how it's done for anybody else that was starting off like myself. I'm still starting off. At the minute I'm trying to figure out how to split routes, but you can only do a split route if you are on a paid version of it. I'm on the free version, so I get all the adverts and stuff like that, but it doesn't bother me. It's still a very good thing. So I do love it now, I have to say. In fact, if I was to push any app planning format, it would be this one. This is the one that it has worked for me better than Basecamp. My Basecamp didn't work the way it should work. I'm not going to go into any more than it. When you look at if you look at Google Maps, you expect to see the streets and places, street names, blah blah blah. You know what I'm talking about. Well, when I go into Basecamp, it doesn't even show me the side roads, just shows you a main road and that's it. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I've tried and tried and tried, but I'm long time stupid, so they're hardly going to correct me now. So I'm heading up here to the garage. I think I will put a bit of fuel in, and I'm meeting up with little Big Jimmy. So this is coming up onto the milestone in Temple Patrick.